This will be the table data that will be the reference to make a dynamic and dependent drop-down list. Watch how it works. Today, this video will show you how to make a dynamic and dependent drop-down list to enhance consistency. First, we need to set the reference data in a table format where the first row is the category name and the succeeding row are its corresponding data. Now, we need to set and define each column, and this is how to do it. Once the category name is defined, just press the Enter key. The next step is to create a drop-down list number 1 as our category data reference. Make sure you are in the Data tab. Click the Data Validation option. On the Settings, under Allow drop-down choices, select List. Set the source and select the first row of our data table, and click OK. We have now our drop-down list number 1 filled with category data. The next process is to create drop-down list number 2 that will dynamically and automatically be filled based on the selected category data in drop-down list number 1. To do this, make sure that you are in the Data tab. Select Data Validation. Again, under Settings, allow drop-down selection, select List. This time, to set the source, type in =indirect all in capital letters. And point to the location of drop-down list number 1 to be the reference inside the parenthesis. Click OK. Now, we will check if drop-down list number 2 automatically fill based on drop-down list number 1 selected data. Thanks for watching.